Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This week is literally my favorite week of the year and it is the Christmas week. I'll be using the Scribble kit in the Night Sky Aurora theme. It is absolutely beautiful and I'm pairing it with the holographic silver foil overlays. And of course I have my Once More with Love Christmas doodle stickers that I'm so in love with. So going into the month of December, I'm taking out the pages from my cloud, and this is one of my favorite features of this ring bound planner. This way my hand doesn't get stuck with a coil or a spine of a bound planner. First, I'm laying down the bottom washes of the spread. This is a very satisfying process, sort of like laying down the basic cloth for your spread. And I'm also laying down the date covers, covering the dates of the week, and also covering the pink headers with the matching glitter headers from the same kit. And I'm using the black date dots from Scribble. Black is my favorite color. It just pops up so nicely and it matches all of my writing in black ink. Next, I chose this full box sticker with a bedroom with a night sky aurora view. It is just so beautiful. One of my favorite graphics from this kit, and I wanted to use it to set the theme for the spread. And then I peel off a header foil overlay in the blossom pattern and place it at the bottom of the full box sticker. I think the holographic silver just matches the Aurora gradient so nicely. And then I wrote down the title Christmas, and below that I also wrote down family because I think family is really my focus of this week and it's really what made this week so special for me. And I chose this super adorable holiday cuddle munchkin to be placed on top of my family box. And I've decided to glitter up this whole area with some blossom foil stickers. And then I went ahead and wrote down my daily focuses of the week. It's truly a very busy week, so every day there's something to finish so the project can carry on the very next day. And then I cut down this glittery flag marker to make sure that I follow through all of the daily tasks for this week. And of course I added in more glittery blossom monograms to spice up this area a little bit more. And then I chose this super cute pink gloves holding this heart-shaped snowball, and I wrote "Be kind." This is truly the most important mindset that I wanted to have for this holiday, if not for every single day of the year coming up. And that is to remind myself to be kind to my kids, to my family, and to my friends, to all my loved ones. And that is to genuinely spend the quality time with them without the disruption of my phone or just anything that's not related to the moment. And before I forget, I'm laying down the confetti foil overlay on top of my bottom washi. I learned this from Andrea and I think it just looks so dreamy. Moving on to Monday, I first laid out this skinny foil overlay. I really love these little stripes because it adds so much detail to your spread while letting it breathe through the space. And then I put down that I have to work on filling as many orders as possible before the holiday starts. And of course it's garbage collection day, so I also have to bring the garbage out by 7:30. I hate doing that. So Monday is pretty much a working day. I also have to get back to emails, and there were some lost or just delayed parcels that I have to deal with. Then I laid down another full box sticker of a hot chocolate by the window theme and told myself to hang in there because Tuesday is really the big day. I got my daughter this pretty big dollhouse as her present from Santa. It was really pretty, but the problem is it's super hard to assemble. So on Tuesday I literally spent 3 hours, I think, from 11 to like 2 midnight to assemble this dollhouse, and I was extremely tired after that, but it was pretty. It was really cute, and I had to like hide it in the closet before I take it out on 24th.
Yes, Mommy.
Wow, that's so pretty. So yes, I think she really enjoyed her present with all mommy's and daddy's hard work. Lesson learned, if I were ever to get her another big toy again, I'll definitely leave more time for installation. And something really interesting, so on Saturday we spent family time together. I literally spent the entire day just playing with her and her brother, and Came up with this game where someone calls a number and then the rest of us would just kind of rush and run to grab the matching number card on the ground. It was such a simple game, and we literally played for over an hour for just this game alone. And that night I asked her what she enjoyed the most this holiday. And you know what? To my surprise, she said she really liked the number game and she wanted to play that again. And she didn't even mention about the dollhouse. I feel like maybe she just forgot about it. Anyway, I guess materialistic presents just never beats experience. So that is my Christmas week, and I hope all of you enjoyed your holidays with your loved ones. Before you go, please subscribe to this channel if you enjoyed this video. I'll see you guys again next week. Bye!